The initial quotation is 480,000. After going through the e-bidding, we got it at 419,000. I was looking for interior designers for my parents' home, and then I came across it online. Compared to like the other interior designers, but the more traditional build and design kind of companies, rekatone, I was interested in this whole bidding process because I saw that a lot of other customers managed to reduce the cost of their construction through this bidding process, so I just wanted to try it out. The fact that I've never heard of such a bidding platform across Malaysia, because I've inquired a lot of places, so this business model seems to be different to me, and I also like the fact that I don't have to monitor the renovation. I can just leave it to rekatone as a project manager. So far it's been good. Everyone has been quite helpful, quite fast to get to us. The only thing I guess I would have an issue is not their fault, because it's not a piece of wood which took quite some time. But I do understand it's not out of their control anyways.